Welcome to Zero Markets. This educational video will present the various ways you can contact our support team. Whether you have a general question, need assistance, or want to report an issue, feel free to contact us at any time. Method 1. Contact Bubbles on any of our Zero Market website pages. We offer real-time live chat support. It should be located on the bottom right of the screen. Fill in the form and choose your preferred choice of language. This will aid us to designate the appropriate support team member to help you. On the left side of the screen, you can also find our other chat platforms such as WhatsApp and Telegram to reach out to us. Method 2. Portal Support Center. If you have already registered with Zero Markets, you can access our support center on the client portal. Here, you can find our FAQ section. Please have a look through as you may find the answer. You can also submit a form which will be received by the respective support team. Select the type of query, let us know the subject matter, and then a brief description outlining your question/issue. Method 3. Homepage Contact. From our homepage, navigate to Contact and find our telephone number and email address to get in touch with us. If you would like us to call you, request a call back by clicking on Live Support. Submit the form once you've provided all the necessary information, and a team member will be in touch as soon as possible. Concluding, after reaching out to support, please be patient as our support team may take some time to respond to your inquiry. There are many different support options. Be sure to explore and choose the method that works best for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us.